Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our latest content. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to trade cryptocurrency in the UK using Revolut X. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this video will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started! Introduction to Revolut and challenger banks. First, let's talk about Revolut and why it's become such a big name in the fintech space. Revolut, founded in 2015, has revolutionized the way we think about banking and finance. It's a prime example of what's known as a challenger bank or neobank. But what exactly are challenger banks? Challenger banks are financial institutions that operate primarily online. They offer a streamlined alternative to traditional brick-and-mortar banks, focusing on mobile apps to provide a user-friendly experience for managing money, making payments, and even investing. These banks leverage cutting-edge technology to offer faster, more efficient services, often with lower fees. By eliminating physical branches, they can pass on the savings to customers. Revolut has undergone rigorous regulatory checks over the years, making it a bridge between decentralized finance, DeFi, and traditional finance, TradFi, driving mainstream audiences toward cryptocurrencies. So is Revolut crypto-friendly? Absolutely. Revolut's crypto offerings. Revolut entered the cryptocurrency space in 2017, allowing users to buy and sell a selection of cryptocurrencies directly within its app. In February 2024, they announced Revolut X, a new crypto exchange targeting advanced traders with lower fees and enhanced market analytics. Let's break down what makes Revolut's crypto offerings stand out. Revolut offers several innovative features. Fractional trading. Buy fractions of a cryptocurrency for as little as £1, making it accessible for everyone. User-friendly app, an intuitive design that makes crypto trading less intimidating for beginners. Advanced exchange. Revolut X promises lower fees and advanced features for seasoned traders. Seamless integration, easy transfer between fiat banking and crypto products, positioning Revolut as the UK's crypto bank. Limitations of Revolut's crypto offerings. However, there are some limitations to consider. Smaller selection, fewer cryptocurrencies compared to major exchanges. No staking. Users can't earn yield on their crypto holdings. Basic order types. Only market and limit orders available. Restricted transfers. Limits on transferring crypto assets to external wallets. Step-by-step guide to trading crypto using Revolut's banking app. Now let's get into the practical part. Here's a step-by-step guide to trading cryptocurrencies using Revolut's banking application. Step 1. Access the Revolut mobile app and log in with your Revolut account. Step 2. Navigate to the crypto section. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency you want to trade. You'll see the current price and trading chart. Step 4. Choose buy or sell and enter the amount you want to trade. Step 5. Review the transaction details, including total cost and fees. Step 6. Confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, the crypto purchase or sale will be processed. Step-by-step guide to trading crypto using Revolut X platform. Next, let's explore the Revolut X platform for advanced trading. Step 1. Visit Revolut X and log into your account. Step 2. Click on Deposit to view your fiat balance from the Revolut banking app. Deposit fiat from your Revolut account into Revolut X. You can also use existing crypto for trading. Step 3. Once the deposit is approved, you can start trading on Revolut X. Step 4. Use the basic market and limit order options for trading. Step 5. Set sell orders if you want to exit your crypto holdings. Step 6. Check your portfolio performance and assets by clicking on the Portfolio tab. The future of Revolut. Revolut X is poised for significant growth in the crypto space. While it offers a convenient and user-friendly platform, its limitations may not suit all experienced traders. However, with its integration across banking products and focus on user experience, Revolut has the potential to become a leading crypto bank in the UK. As it expands its cryptocurrency offerings and trading features, Revolut X could become a major player in the evolving landscape of digital asset exchanges. To sum up, whether you're just starting your crypto journey or looking for a more advanced trading platform, Revolut and Revolut X have a lot to offer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more cryptocurrency insights. And why choose Revolut? 1. Security, regulated by financial authorities and employs high security measures. Ease of use, intuitive interface suitable for beginners and advanced users. 3. Comprehensive financial services, from traditional banking to cryptocurrency trading. Is Revolut crypto-friendly? Revolut entered the cryptocurrency space in 2017, allowing users to buy and sell a limited selection of cryptocurrencies. In February 2024, Revolut launched a new crypto exchange called Revolut X, targeting advanced traders with lower fees and enhanced market analytics. With over 30 million users worldwide, Revolut has a significant potential audience for its crypto offerings. The platform's seamless integration between fiat and crypto services positions it uniquely in the market. Revolut's crypto features. 1. Instant transactions, buy and sell crypto instantly within the app. 2. Price alerts, set up alerts for your favorite cryptocurrencies to stay updated. 3. Educational resources, access to information and tutorials to help you understand the crypto market. Advantages of Revolut X. Revolut X brings several innovative features to the crypto trading space, including 1. Fractional trading. Buy fractions of a cryptocurrency, making it accessible to those with limited budgets. 1. Start your crypto investment journey with as little as £1. 2. User-friendly interface. Known for its intuitive design, Revolut X makes crypto trading less intimidating for beginners. 3. Advanced features, lower fees, and advanced market analytics cater to seasoned traders. 4. Seamless integration. Easily move funds between Revolut's fiat banking app and Revolut X. New features of Revolut X. 1. Advanced charting tools. Enhanced market analysis tools for better trading decisions. API access for those who want to integrate their trading strategies programmatically. 3. Staking rewards. Future plans to introduce staking options to earn yield on crypto holdings. Limitations of Revolut X. Despite its many advantages, Revolut X has some limitations. 1. Limited cryptocurrency selection, a smaller range of cryptocurrencies compared to major exchanges. 2. No staking mechanisms. Users cannot earn yield on their crypto holdings, though this may change with future updates. 3. Basic order types. Only supports market and limit orders, which may not satisfy experienced traders. 4. Restricted transfers. As of May 2024, Revolut restricts the transfer of crypto assets to external wallets, allowing transfers to other exchanges but blocking transfers to self-custodial wallets.